Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this cut master filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the filter. To get this filter on TikTok, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. It's already saved to my favorite. Remember this image. This is the filter. You have to go to trending and look for this image. Okay, if you can't see the filter here in trending, what you can do, you can go to search and search for cut master. But this is a new filter, so I think you will not find because too many filter with this name. So go to your for you page and search for cut master filter. Okay, scroll the videos. Okay, the second one, this is the filter, tap on it. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the screen, the effect name is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter in search, then remember the creator name, Gaming Filter Pro. You can go to his profile and then go to his effect gallery and you can find the filter. Follow him to unlock all his filter. Okay, he's having some awesome filters. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect and use this effect on TikTok. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.